guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete day one of the Modular Streets Festival Riddles in Heartopia. So it is the store visiting one. If you can't find it, it's in the planet button, and then go to store visiting. It says a new brick store just opened on the Modular Streets. The shelves are dazzling. Wonder what it's like to shop there. So view riddle here. And then I'm just going to view the riddle here as well. So the first one is Riddle Creative Lab. It says the walls of the brick store are made of bricks. Wow, that's just as amazing as the lab in the town center. So let's go to the lab, which is in the central square. So let's go there to solve our first riddle. Make sure you do unlock it though before you go there, or else the bubble won't be here at all. So it's going to be in front of the store, and I'm just going to pop it. And that is our first riddle completed. Okay, and then for the second riddle, it says here, Riddle Immersive Restaurant. They're serving tasty shaved ice in the store, apparently aiming to build an immersive restaurant in the brick world. Massimo thinks it's a brilliant idea. So this one's also easy. You're just going to go to Massimo's here. This is not the bubble, I just need to pop it. But you'll find it kind of floating above, and you're just going to jump to it. And that is it for this week's riddle. See you for the next one. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!